What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. I am the wannabe, and today I want to be a sneakerhead. Yes, we're going back to the roots of the sneaker videos, and as you guys saw from the title, we have another sneaker cleaner battle. Today it'll be Crep Protect versus Jason Markk. So those are the two winners of my previous videos, and if you'd like to watch one of those previous videos, you can go ahead and click on the I right now, and they both will be waiting for you after the video, so you can watch them after if you want to. As well, this is another weekly Wednesday upload where I upload every single week on Wednesday of 2018. If you'd like to check out last week's episode, it will be in the eye as well. What comes with a weekly Wednesday upload is a life hack or a question of the day. Last week was a life hack, which means this week is a question of the day. So today's question of the day is going to be another fitness related question. If you guys can't tell, I'm really into fitness. So the question is barbell or dumbbells, which one is better for muscle growth? So take a second to answer in the comments down below. The first person to answer that question correctly, their comment will be featured on my next weekly Wednesday upload. I'm going to go ahead and answer the question of the day at the end of the video just so you guys have time to really think about it. But we're going to go ahead and get into the cleaning, which is Crep Protect versus Jason Markk, to see which is the ultimate sneaker cleaner. I personally think that it's going to be Crep Protect, but I guess we'll have to do the cleaning to see who's boss.
Look, yeah, said she only fuck with bad guys. Ripped jeans, ripped shirts, think I'm that guy. Got a sound that they want, you can't be me. Might pull out with a stick if you try me. Young thrill, drug stuffed in peacoats. Search for love but you can't find cause you're too fake. Want love but I back out like fuck that. No disrespect, you're not dope like fuck that. Got a view that I see that you can't see. Penthouse far away, can you find me? She leaves her stuff in my room like I don't see. Got hoes but I take a chance on you now. Yeah, I fell in love with the fast life. Living life on the go, never think twice. Gotta find new goals, I need new heights. Writing vibes, hoping that you play it all night. Yeah, I fell in love with the fast life. Living life on the go, never think twice. Gotta find new goals, I need new heights. Writing vibes, hoping that you play it all night. Yeah, city's cold, you better bundle up. You hate a lot, but we never see you do a lot. You do a little, so I guess you really like your spot. With no life, you can tell me what to do or not. Weekend stays, fuck it, let's take the whole week. Spilling drinks, spending cash to make it back. You can't be mad, making moves that won't last. Don't front, you hate the fact that she loves thrill. On a wave, check the place, they going up. Can't hang, check the port, she throwing up. Can't change, she tells me I need to grow up. You rush life, you gon' hate it when you grow up. Yeah, I fell in love with the fast life. Living life on the go, never think twice. Gotta find new goals, I need new heights. Writing vibes, hoping that you play it all night. Yeah, I fell in love with the fast life. Living life on the go, never think twice. Gotta find new goals, I need new heights. Writing vibes, hoping that you.
Alright, so I'm switching up to the Crep brush. The brush that comes with the little travel kit of the Jason Markk is just way too hard and way too hard to handle as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Jason Markk detergent with the Crep brush.
The waves and probably change your ways. Do this shit with such ease, I'm in search of ways. Hit the road and book a place and no stay. Having so much money in myself these days. You been acting funny cause I turned the page. Almost lost my life, I can't forget those days. Missed the way we was, but I won't say no names. I've been doing good just by myself these days. Stack my cash in different ways, I've been through some different things. Fuck a local show, these niggas hella bugs. Fuck a nigga talking, he ain't in my spot. I'm the reason, you're the reason that you're not optimistic, so I'm taking hella shots. You don't got my back, that took some years to find. You be checking in just to see I'm fine. Yeah, right around the town now. I got love I never show. Different nights on rooftops. You hate the fact I like alone. Yeah, right around the town now. I got love I never show. Different nights on rooftops. You hate the fact I like alone. Look, ayy. You hate the fact I like alone. Why the fuck you think I got a coupe I ride alone? You won't catch me in the club, it's only dives these days. You can't trust your wife, I swear she's stuck in ways. They don't fuck with me cause I'm not catching plays. See you niggas rapping but not catching plays. I'm a thrill, it takes a lot to feel this way. Missed the way we was, but I won't say no names. I've been doing good just by myself these days. Stack my cash in different ways. I've been through some different things. You've been super mad that I'm not catching on. Really, you should get it now that I am not the same these days. If I loved you once, then you break that, won't get it back. I hate the fact I told you things, I need that back.
Alright, so real quick to answer the question of the day, the answer is dumbbells. Dumbbells allow you to have more of a range of motion so you can get deeper and allow for more of a stretch in really any body part, as well as you have to stabilize a bit more, so that's also going to help tear up some muscle fibers. So dumbbells do help build muscle better than barbells. Now with my decision on what the best sneaker cleaner is between Crep Protect and Markk. As you guys can see from those after shots, they are pretty even. Both cleaners pretty much just did exactly what they're supposed to do, and that's just clean the shoe. So now it all comes down to personal preference. Which one's easier to use, which one you like using more, which one you have to use less detergent, everything like that. Both of them have their pros and cons. I think Markk, you could get away with using less solution, and it does help the sneaker smell better. But with the Crep Protect, it feels like you get more with less amount of money. Both kits were $15, and as you saw, I had to stop using the Markk brush because it was too small, it was too stiff, and it just was not doing a good job, so I had to switch over to the Crep brush, and that brush is really good. It's super high quality. It is for sure my favorite brush to use when cleaning sneakers. So since the decision is pretty much all mine to make, it is all personal preference. So if you use both of these cleaners, I'm telling you, you're not going to see much difference in which one's going to clean the shoe better, but you will have a personal preference just like I do. In my opinion, the best sneaker cleaner in the world, because you know these are all the name brand ones that you see everywhere, because if there was a better sneaker cleaner than the ones that I have today, we would already know about it in the comments. It would already be tested on this channel. But in my opinion, based on what I have, the best sneaker cleaner in the world goes to Crep Protect. I'm choosing Crep Protect just because the brush quality is just absolutely phenomenal. I haven't used the Markk's actual premium brush, but I'm sure it does work very well. But like I said, between the two kits that I have, I do prefer the Crep Protect one because the brush quality is fantastic. So that wraps up today's video, and if you've made it this far, I have obviously entertained you or informed you in some way. So if you could hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, make sure to turn on those post notifications if you are subscribed so you can come back for more and you're notified anytime I upload a video. That is all for today. I will be back next week with a video on being whatever I personally want to be, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.